Public sufferings are utmost in Bogura due to 6 to 8 hours unbearable load shedding. In addition to the sufferings in educational institutions and hospitals, the production of factories is also been disrupted due to intolerable heat. According to the Power Division, the issue has been emerged due to lack of supply compared to the requirement. Small businessmen who are mostly dependent on electricity are facing immense sufferings due to lack of supply. From schools, coaching centers and homes to hospitals and clinics, everywhere people are affected due to load shedding. Production is disrupted in hundreds of industries in the district, including jute mills and paper mills. Daily demand of electricity in Bogura district is 115 to 120 megawatt. However, people get 70 to 90 megawatt during normal time. The situation has become more critical in the last few days.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।